To replace or remove the seatbelt on Q50, you need to remove this pillar, lift the carpet, remove this trim. It's held by 14mm bolts, and there's one 10mm also. And there's a pretensioner, and I'll show you. You don't need this. You don't need this. It has clips, it has this tiny hooks, clips on the bottom. You can move the seat forward so you have more room. I just took it off. So this is 14mm. And this is 10mm. Same here. Pop this back. On the top one, it's easier if you put a screwdriver in the little clip thing and press it, and this panel will come off. But as you see, 14mm and this 14mm. Then it has 3 wires. One here, and one here. On the plugs, this yellow plug and the orange plug on the pretensioner is a seatbelt, this pretensioner. You need to move the little black clip out. You move it out, and then you can slide the plug out. And this one is simple, you just press it, slide it out. And just remove this one. On the bottom one, it's also 14mm, but you have to move the carpet way out. And the last thing, when you're installing it, it will only roll up when the seatbelt is in correct position. So it has to be against the wall and bolted. If it's sideways, it's not going to roll up. So it has to be perfectly vertical.